I've just arrived at Grasmere village. Gonna have a little walk around, see what it looks like. Pop into the famous gingerbread shop. See a queue for the gingerbread shop. Here's the gravestones of Williamsworth Worth. It's just over there, and the rest of his family. William was born in Cockermouth on the 7th of April 1770, died at Ryedale on the 23rd of April 1850. Might have to buy some chocolate and fudge. In that shop I just been in, I bought some Kendal mint cake, 3 different flavours, and 3 different flavours of fudge, all handmade. Try it out later, see what it tastes like. Grasmere Lake. That's as close as I'm going to get to the lake. This wall goes on for miles all the way round. Well, I'm going to end my visit here now at Grasmere. And hope you enjoyed the video. Look around Grasmere.